Since 2015, 2016, there have been a number of prospective randomized phase 2 and now phase 3 trials that are looking at immunotherapy cocktails, if you will, or combinations in the frontline setting. Many of these trials, in fact the majority, really continue to use a chemotherapy backbone. So it's standard chemotherapy plus or minus the new immunotherapy drug, be it nivolumab or pembrolizumab or atezolizumab, both in non-squamous and squamous cell. I think one of the more interesting trials is Keynote 189, which is essentially a phase 3 follow-up of the randomized phase 2 cohort G from Keynote 2.1, looking at PEM-carbo either alone or PEM-carbo combined with pembrolizumab. It has a primary endpoint of disease-free survival. It has crossover built into the trial, hence overall survival is not a legitimate primary endpoint. It's still an important secondary endpoint. And I think this trial will either confirm or refute the benefits that we've seen in cohort G, which led to the approval of that 3-drug combination. There's a similar trial looking at a taxane platinum combination in squamous cell. The agent atezolizumab, which is a PD-L1 inhibitor, is being looked at prospectively in phase 3 trials, again with several different chemotherapy backbones. And there are a number of trials now that are looking at immunotherapy combinations, particularly CTLA-4 inhibitors and either PD-1 or PD-L1 inhibitors together versus chemotherapy. And those trials are truly exciting. I have some degree of skepticism whether immunotherapy combinations will actually prove superior to chemotherapy in this setting, but I would not be the least bit surprised that they prove equivalent.